Iron is an essential nutrient that plays an important role in many bodily functions. A diet lacking in iron can result in low energy levels, shortness of breath, headaches, irritability, dizziness, or anemia. Iron can be found in two forms in foods: heme and non-heme. Heme iron is only found in animal products, whereas non-heme iron is only found in plants. The recommended daily intake, RDI, is based on an average intake of 18 mg per day. However, individual requirements vary based on a person's gender and life stage. For instance, men and postmenopausal women generally require around 8 mg of iron per day. This amount increases to 18 mg per day for menstruating women and to 27 mg per day for pregnant women. And, since non-heme iron tends to be less easily absorbed by our bodies than heme iron, the RDI for vegetarians and vegans is 1.8 times higher than for meat eaters. Here is a list of 21 plant foods that are high in iron. 1 to 3. Legumes. Legumes, including beans, peas, and lentils, are great sources of iron. Listed below are the varieties containing the most iron, from highest to lowest. 1. Tofu, tempeh, natto, and soybeans. Soybeans and foods derived from soybeans are packed with iron. In fact, soybeans contain around 8.8 mg of it per cup, or 49% of the RDI. The same portion of natto, a fermented soybean product, offers 15 mg, or 83% of the RDI. Similarly, 6 ounces, 168 grams, of tofu or tempeh each offer 3 to 3.6 mg of iron, or up to approximately 20% of the RDI. In addition to iron, these soy products contain between 10 to 19 grams of protein per portion and are also a good source of calcium, phosphorus, and magnesium. 2. Lentils. Lentils are another iron-filled food, providing 6.6 mg per cup cooked, or 37% of the RDI. Lentils contain a significant amount of protein, complex carbs, fiber, folate and manganese as well. 1 cup of cooked lentils contains 18 grams of protein and covers around 50% of your recommended daily fiber intake. 3. Other beans and peas. Other types of beans contain good amounts of iron as well. White, lima, red kidney, and navy beans closely follow soybeans, offering 4.4 to 6.6 mg of iron per cup cooked, or 24 to 37% of the RDI.
The latest diet.
However, chickpeas and black-eyed peas have the highest iron content. They provide around 4.6 to 5.2 mg per cup cooked, or 26 to 29% of the RDI. In addition to their iron content, beans and peas are excellent sources of complex carbs, fiber, folate, phosphorus, potassium, manganese and several beneficial plant compounds. Several studies also link regularly consuming beans and peas to lower blood pressure, cholesterol, and blood sugar levels, as well as reductions in belly fat. 4 to 5. Nuts and seeds. Nuts and seeds serve as 2 more iron-rich plant sources. Those who wish to increase their total daily iron intake should add the following varieties to their diet, as they contain the highest amounts. 4. Pumpkin, sesame, hemp, and flax seeds. Pumpkin, sesame, hemp, and flax seeds are the seeds richest in iron, containing around 1.2 to 4.2 mg per 2 tablespoons, or 7 to 23% of the RDI. Products derived from these seeds are also worth considering. For instance, 2 tablespoons of tahini, a paste made from sesame seeds, contain 2.6 mg of iron, which is 14% of the RDI. Similarly, hummus made from chickpeas and tahini provides you with around 3 mg of iron per half cup, or 17% of the RDI. Seeds contain good amounts of plant protein, fiber, calcium, magnesium, zinc, selenium, antioxidants, and other beneficial plant compounds, too. They're also a great source of omega-3 and omega-6 fatty acids. Hemp seeds, in particular, seem to contain these two fats in the ratio considered optimal for human health. 5. Cashews, pine nuts and other nuts. Nuts and nut butters contain quite a bit of non-heme iron. This is especially true for almonds, cashews, pine nuts, and macadamia nuts, which contain between 1 to 1.6 mg of iron per ounce, or around 6 to 9% of the RDI. Similarly to seeds, nuts are a great source of protein, fiber, good fats, vitamins, and minerals, as well as antioxidants and beneficial plant compounds. Keep in mind that blanching or roasting nuts may damage their nutrients, so favor raw and unblanched varieties. As for nut butters, it's best to choose a 100% natural variety to avoid an unnecessary dose of added oils, sugars and salt.
What are the honey and
6 to 10. Vegetables. Gram per gram, vegetables often have a higher iron content than foods typically associated with high iron,
If you want to
such
see
as
better
meat and
results,
eggs.
make a great impression, and
Though
save time at
vegetables
work,
contain
you
non-heme
should get
iron, which is less easily absorbed, they are also generally rich in vitamin C, which helps enhance iron absorption. The following vegetables and vegetable-derived products offer the most iron per serving. 6. Leafy greens. Leafy greens, such as spinach, kale, Swiss chard, collard, and beet greens contain between 2.5 to 6.4 mg of iron per cooked cup, or 14 to 36% of the RDI. For example, 100 grams of spinach contains 1.1 times more iron than the same amount of red meat and 2.2 times more than 100 grams of salmon. This is also 3 times more than 100 grams of boiled eggs and 3.6 times more than the same amount of chicken. Yet due to their light weight, some can find it difficult to consume 100 grams of raw, leafy greens. In this case, it's best to consume them cooked. Other iron-rich veggies that fit in this category include broccoli, cabbage, and Brussels sprouts, which contain between 1 and 1.8 milligrams per cooked cup, or around 6 to 10% of the RDI. 7. Tomato paste. At 0.5 milligrams per cup, raw tomatoes contain very little iron. However, when dried or concentrated, they offer a much greater amount. For instance, half a cup, 118 ml, of tomato paste offers 3.9 milligrams of iron, or 22% of the RDI, whereas 1 cup, 237 ml, of tomato sauce offers 1.9 milligrams, or 11% of the RDI. Sun-dried tomatoes are another iron-rich source, providing you with 1.3 to 2.5 mg per half cup, or up to 14% of the RDI. Tomatoes are also a great source of vitamin C, which helps increase iron absorption. Moreover, they're a great source of lycopene, an antioxidant linked to a reduced risk of sunburn. 8. Potatoes. Potatoes contain significant amounts of iron, mostly concentrated in their skins. More specifically, one large, unpeeled potato, 10.5 ounces or 295 grams, provides 3.2 milligrams of iron, which is 18% of the RDI. Sweet potatoes contain slightly less, around 2.1 milligrams for the same quantity, or 12% of the RDI, 41. Potatoes are also a great source of fiber. Additionally, one portion can cover up to 46% of your daily vitamin C, B6 and potassium requirements. 9. Mushrooms. Certain varieties of mushrooms are particularly rich in iron. For instance, 1 cooked cup of white mushrooms contains around 2.7 milligrams, or 15% of the RDI. Oyster mushrooms may offer up to twice as much iron, whereas portobello and shiitake mushrooms contain very little. Palm hearts. Palm hearts are a tropical vegetable rich in fiber, potassium, manganese, vitamin C, and folate. A lesser-known fact about palm hearts is that they also contain a fair amount of iron, an impressive 4.6 milligrams per cup, or 26% of the RDI. This versatile vegetable can be blended into dips, tossed on the grill, incorporated into a stir-fry, added to salads, and even baked with your favorite toppings. 11 to 13 Fruit. Fruit is not commonly the food group that individuals turn to when wanting to increase the iron content of their diet. Nevertheless, some fruits are surprisingly high in iron. Here are the best sources of iron in this category. Prune juice. Prunes are known for their mild laxative effect, which helps relieve constipation. However, they're also a good source of iron. Prune juice, in particular, offers about 3 milligrams of iron per cup, 237 ml. That's around 17% of the RDI and is twice as much iron than the same quantity of prunes. Prune juice is rich in fiber, potassium, vitamin C, vitamin B6 and manganese, too. Olives. Olives are technically a fruit, and one with a good iron content at that. They contain around 3.3 milligrams of iron per 3.5 ounces, 100 grams, or 18% of the RDI. In addition, fresh olives are also a great source of fiber, good fats, and fat-soluble vitamins A and E, 50. Olives also contain a variety of beneficial plant compounds thought to provide several health benefits, including a lower risk of heart disease. Mulberries. Mulberries are a type of fruit with a particularly impressive nutritional value. Not only do they offer around 2.6 milligrams of iron per cup, 14% of the RDI, but this quantity of mulberries also meets 85% of the RDI for vitamin C, 54. Mulberries are a great source of antioxidants as well, which may offer protection against heart disease, diabetes, and some forms of cancer. 14 to 17, Whole grains. Research links whole grains to a variety of health benefits. These benefits include increased longevity and a reduced risk of obesity, type 2 diabetes and heart disease. However, not all grains are equally beneficial. For instance, grain processing typically removes parts of the grain that contain fiber, antioxidants, vitamins, and minerals, including iron. For this reason, whole grains typically contain more iron than processed grains. The following are the 4 types of whole grains containing the most iron proportion. Amaranth. Amaranth is a gluten-free ancient grain that doesn't grow from grasses like other grains do. For this reason, it is technically considered a pseudo-cereal. Amaranth contains around 5.2 milligrams of iron per cup cooked, or 29% of the RDI. Interestingly, amaranth is one of the few complete sources of plant proteins and also contains good amounts of complex carbs, fiber, manganese, phosphorus, and magnesium. Spelt. Spelt is another iron-rich ancient grain. It contains around 3.2 milligrams of iron per cup cooked, or 18% of the RDI. Moreover, spelt offers around 5 to 6 grams of protein per portion, which is approximately 1.5 times more protein than more modern grains, such as wheat, 61. Spelt contains a variety of other nutrients, too, including complex carbs, fiber, magnesium, zinc, selenium, and B vitamins. Its mineral content may also be slightly higher than more conventional grains. Oats. Oats are a tasty and easy way to add iron to your diet. A cup of cooked oats contains around 3.4 milligrams of iron, 19% of the RDI, as well as good amounts of plant protein, fiber, magnesium, zinc, and folate. What's more, oats contain a soluble fiber called beta-glucan, which may help promote gut health, increase feelings of fullness and reduce cholesterol and blood sugar levels. Quinoa. Like amaranth, quinoa is a gluten-free pseudo-cereal rich in complete protein, fiber, complex carbs, vitamins, and minerals. It offers around 2.8 milligrams of iron per cup cooked, or 16% of the RDI. Plus, research links quinoa's rich antioxidant content to a lower risk of medical conditions, including high blood pressure and type 2 diabetes. 18 to 21, Other. Certain foods do not fit in one of the food groups above, yet contain significant amounts of iron. Incorporating them into your diet can help you meet your recommended daily iron intakes. Coconut milk. Coconut milk can be a tasty alternative to cow's milk. Although very high in fat, it's a good source of several vitamins and minerals, including magnesium, copper, and manganese. Coconut milk also contains a good amount of iron, more specifically, around 3.8 milligrams per half cup, 118 ml, or around 21% of the RDI. Dark chocolate. Dark chocolate contains significantly more nutrients than its milk chocolate counterpart. Not only does it offer 3.3 milligrams of iron per ounce, 28 grams, meeting around 18% of the RDI, but it also contains a good amount of fiber, magnesium, copper, and manganese. Additionally, dark chocolate is a powerful source of antioxidants, a group of beneficial plant compounds that help protect against various diseases. Blackstrap molasses. Blackstrap molasses is a sweetener often claimed to be healthier than table sugar. In terms of iron, it contains around 1.8 milligrams of iron per 2 tablespoons, or around 10% of the RDI. This portion also helps cover between 10 to 30% of your recommended daily intake of copper, selenium, potassium, vitamin B6, magnesium and manganese. However, despite its higher nutrient content, blackstrap molasses remains very high in sugar and should be consumed in moderation. Dried thyme. Dried thyme is one of the most popular culinary herbs. Many consider it a nutritional powerhouse, and research has linked it to health benefits ranging from fighting bacterial infections and bronchitis to improving your mood. 73 Trusted source. 74 Trusted source, 75 Trusted source. Thyme also happens to be one of the herbs with the highest iron content, offering 1.2 milligrams per dried teaspoon, or around 7% of the RDI. Sprinkling a little on each meal is a good strategy for those wanting to increase their iron intake.